Hey guys, what's happening? How to sync GoogleFit with AppleHealth. You can sync GoogleFit with AppleHealth primarily one way, right? From health to fit. Or you could go ahead and hit your profile icon at the bottom, right? Hit the settings gear at the top right. Under activity tracking, you're gonna see track your activities with health. Just press it and turn on connect GoogleFit with health. That's one way. Another way, you can just go ahead from the health app or from Apple Health and do it manually. So I'm gonna hit my profile icon inside Apple Health. Under privacy, you're gonna see apps, press it. You're gonna see Google Fit, just press Google Fit and just turn on all of them. Or if you want to go through them yourself, just do that on your own free time, okay? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that way you're gonna be able to sync all of your data essentially to Google Fit. See you in the next one.